So hello lads, idea is pretty simple. I created some cool sound effect. You can see the effects here. It's not like we're gonna show you anything, but sorry, I'm just kinda lazy to do that. If any of you need that, I'm gonna link it to that. Other than that, let me just show you something.
Hello. Let me show you what the hell is that. So, briefly saying it's for something very cool noises, I'd say. It's not regularly used, but it might be used in some cases. So, let me just give you some sound effects, if you can go this way.
Anyway, other than that, let me just try to show you what the hell I've been using to make those sounds. I'll try my best, but I'm not saying you anything, because this is just weird. Okay, sec. Come on, hello? My bad? It wasn't expected. Okay, anyway, so here's the effect I'm using, pitch proof. I have no idea how to use that, to be honest. I just randomly did that. Wait, I think it's just minus pitch, that's pretty much it. Next one is effect, ring, just like a bit here. Nice. Next one, another effect, distort, just a bit here. Also pretty nice. Next, it's delay. It's like 1 0. Oh, BPM is 175. I'm not sure if that does anything. I'm not really good with that. Other than that, another delay on top of that. Doesn't do a lot of stuff, but hey, ping pong, by the way. This one is just normal. So feedback, things like that. 3 notes, kind of different. So that's like pretty much this one not used. I can try that.
It's gonna sound good too. Just kind of different.
It might work in some cases, but it kind of deafens the audio to some certain degree. So that's pretty much it. Sorry. Thank you for checking out my Iron Fortress sound effect, and I'll see you next time. Peace.